Downward facing dog, Adho, Mukha, Svanasana. Begin in tabletop position in the center of your mat. Knees stacked directly below your hips, shins are parallel. Curl your toes under. Be sure your ankles are directly in line with your knees. Hands step just in front of your shoulders, all 10 fingers spread wide. Inhale. As you exhale, lift your hips to the sky and press your heels to the earth. Straighten your legs as much as you can. Feet are hips distanced apart, heels deepening into your mat. Feel your body creating 2 lines of energy. If you feel any discomfort, feel free to lift your heels or bend your knees to wherever feels right for you. In full expression, pull your kneecaps into your thighs, feeling your hamstrings extend. Tilt your tailbone to the sky, belly button pulls back and up into the spine. Be mindful not to hunch your back. Keep your spine straight and lengthened. Bringing attention to your shoulders, roll them up towards your ears, then draw your shoulder blades together and down your back. Neck is relaxed. Weight comes to your index fingers and thumbs. Inhale. Push the earth away with your hands. Tailbone lifts. Exhale. Heels draw closer to the earth. To incorporate movement, begin by walking your dog. Bend one knee and then the other. Do whatever feels good here. Shake your head yes. Shake it no. You also have an option to reach your hand to your opposite calf or ankle. Test your balance and breathe. Then, as always, switch to the other side. Feel your side body opening. As an inversion, downward facing dog brings fresh blood to the nervous system and can help calm the mind. When you're ready, drop to your knees and come down into child's pose. Make it a great day with flowing life inspired.